back. So things we're going to do today are just continue working on the back. As last time we got the rear bash bar all painted up, and then today plans for the day are to paint the diffuser, or first clean it, then get all the silver parts black, strengthen up the mount a little bit, put the chassis mount wing on except for the actual deck, and then just see if we can get the diffuser on and get everything on the back finished up except for lights. So let's just get right to it. Alright, let me give you guys a quick update where we're at. So I put the wing stands back on, you guys saw that, and I'm slowly getting the diffuser ready to be painted. So it has a lot of scratches. I don't want to paint the whole thing because they're just going to come back, and so I think what I'm going to do is going to find everything that's silver and paint it and just it up as it is. Nothing's going to be perfect, but it'll look better than before. So continue watching the time lapse. And that's that. So diffuser's back on and not too shaggy. Like that nice good aggressive look. It'll look a lot better once it's actually matching the flares. And that poke is, it's good. It's good. So yeah, the exhaust here, that touches in there, but you know that's where it was before. It doesn't rattle. So it's a good day. I think that's what I'm gonna call it today. Good progress done. Finally something you could actually see, guys. So yeah, you're welcome. But that's it. I'm kind of out of it right now. A little tired. I smell like Old Spice. It's not a bad life. Alright, so do the usual. Dislike, unsubscribe, leave your hate and comments. Bye!